back to our channel, and today we have our 6th Universal Yum box. And today we have 2 special guests, my nephew Braylon, my niece Kaylin.
Hello.
And we're just gonna get into it, guys. Alright, let's see who we have today.
We have, wait.
Right there.
Oh, we have Grease.
Alright, we have Grease. Alright, so we're off to Greece. Alright. It says first we're gonna start with the trivia train. Alright. What did the world's first vending machine dispense? It says A, holy water, B, many philosophy books, C, silverware, D, Pepsi. And I'm gonna say
C.
You saying C? I'm gonna say holy water.
I'm gonna say D.
I'm gonna say holy water.
Alright, so number 1. Me and Braylon said A. So it says A. Back in the 1st century AD, engineer Heron of Alexandria created the world's first vending machine for a divine purpose. Dispense holy water for temple goers. A coin inserted to the top would drop onto a bar inside the vase, allowing holy water to flow. For locals at the time, these vending machines were a miracle. And for priests looking for an easy way to collect donations, they were God sent. So once again, I got you. And me and Braylon was right. Kaylin and Brooke wrong.
That's tough.
Alright, our first snack is going to be roasted garlic bread chips. Roasted garlic bread chips. Alright, let's get into it.
Okay, let's just.
Let's see if she's going to open it this time. Uh-oh! She opened it on the first time. Alright, that's what it looks like, guys. Then one to Braylon. Give me one. Alright, y'all ready?
You don't wait for me.
Oh, yeah, we got that.
Okay,
Alright.
ready.
Hey.
I'm taking.
Tastes
These
like
taste pretty good.
it tastes
I'm
like
not gonna lie. These are pretty good.
like a crouton for salad,
Yeah.
but no taste. I have nobody's
I think
flavor.
they're pretty good.
Where's the garlic? Well, it's a little hint of garlic. I take it.
Yeah, me too. I think it's good. It's okay.
All right. My mouth is dry. Next. Okay. So we're gonna do a check for me, Kaylin.
Okay for me.
Ready?
Okay.
I think mine is, it's pretty good.
Yep. All right. So next, peanut and haze puffs. Peanut and haze puffs. Okay, what if these nut puffs had healing powers? According to this scholar, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Dioscorides, a famous Greek physician and author of a millennial spinning medical journey, they do. I'm not gonna keep reading all that. Just to show them. All right. Ooh, these are like little
Tater tots.
and cheese puffs. All right.
3.
I don't know. What kind of cheese puffs?
It's like cheese puffs.
No, it don't. It tastes like.
That's corn puffs. You're not missing it.
Yep, you need one.
Peanut butter.
These are, no. It's funny. I can't really describe it, but
It's okay. It's pretty good.
I don't know if we'll say that.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I like
All right.
it.
I'm confused. I don't know what it is. So
It
there
tastes
you
like
go.
something I've tasted before. But
So do you like it?
the peanut butter crackers.
I'm gonna be confused on this one. I don't know. Just put like a
It's
little
fine.
confused face. Put a circle with the little line.
I will eat these in the day.
Yeah. I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty confusing. All right.
Wait.
Brooke, you liked it?
No.
All right, I'm the only one. Oh, you didn't like
I
it.
don't like it.
All right, next, paprika and tomato potato chips. I like paprika, but I'm not a big fan of tomato potato chips. You have one person to thank for these chips. Leonie's, I don't know that name, Greece's first prime minister. You skip me.
I know you were leaving.
No. I mean, I get skipped for some reason.
Oh my god.
Yeah. What it smell like? You show people? You show? Let me see. Ready? Huh?
It's good.
I like Ruffles. With a little tomato taste and paprika taste. I'll say good.
I really.
No,
You like it?
No, okay.
You okay?
That's good.
Taylor, we waiting on you to score.
I really like it.
This right here. Me, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good or not?
Good.
She didn't mark those. We'll go back to it. Check for everybody. All right. We're gonna go to Grape Mustard Muscular Cookies. Greek pressed grape in a soft rain cookie. I don't know if I'm gonna like that.
What? It sounds fun.
Okay, we're gonna have a break.
That break.
Listen.
You do it.
All right, let's put it. Look like a big donut.
Kind of. That would be good.
It better be good. Let's see. Oh, break me a piece. Break you a piece. Break you a piece. Why do you get that little bit of piece?
Because it was nasty.
You can get a big piece and not like it.
Yeah.
All right, ready? It looks like a salmon donut, or
That's what I'm thinking.
like a donut hole, or
It's good.
a powdery donut. Yep. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah, that's actually good.
Shake for everybody, Kayla.
I really like it.
Why you get so many checks?
I like it.
All right, drizzled milk chocolate wafer. Greece version of a better Kit Kat. Uh-oh.
More wafers.
Trying to see if they gonna compare to us here. All right.
I really just. Great. Okay, this is what it looks like.
I bet that tastes like a wafer, like a regular.
Right. Oops, I pressed the ends.
Did you get you one?
Nope. Take that box and break it. I can't do it.
Wait.
Maybe I just
Open it up some more.
That's all.
All right, ready? I don't taste anything.
It's like a wafer, man.
It's coming through now.
It's good.
Like a chocolate wafer, huh? All right, next. Pomegranate jelly candies. It say, find me in your yum bag. So I don't see, let's see how we're gonna do this one.
I love it.
So there's this one here, and then
How many they have in there?
this one. Well,
That one for me. Oh yeah, it's enough. All right.
this is what it looks.
Let's say tart and sweet and exceptionally chewy. Pomegranate is dangerous, at least in Greek mythology.
Excuse me?
Huh?
What? Huh? That's not what?
It's dangerous.
I love it.
So one of us ain't gonna make it. Y'all ready?
Hold up, wait a minute.
This
Let me
one's
see what you got. Right?
Ooh. All right. That's good.
It's like a pomegranate.
Oh,
Kind of like watermelon.
Just like, yeah, it do have a watermelon flavor with the little salty rock candy
Good.
taste. Yeah.
But it's like, just like sour.
this is probably the best snack in there.
So far, so good. You don't give out checks?
This is the best snack in
Yeah.
on my opinion.
All right. Next, we have prickly pear Turkish delight. Greek lucum inspired by a cactus fruit. We know what you're thinking. Why is there Turkish delight in the Greece box? Well, both countries were once part of the Ottoman Empire, so they have a lot of cuisine in common. Turkish delight of lucum, as is known in Greece, is the perfect example. Alright. I'm not gonna like these.
Let me open it.
Huh?
No, I'm good.
Let them go.
I'm good.
Prickly pear Turkish delight. And this gonna be. They always hard to open.
That dust.
Yep.
So, nah, it's powder.
We're eating chalk. All right, everybody get one. Come on, Kayla. What?
What is wrong with it, bro?
What kind of candy? What are they?
It's squishy.
Ready? Oh, I'm not ready.
What the?
No, I don't like it. It tastes like. I mean, I don't like the texture. It's like I can't even explain it.
Texture?
No, I think it tastes good.
You
It
like
tastes
it?
good.
It's really good.
It's okay to me.
The texture is
It's weird.
a little strange,
Yeah.
but
That's
it tastes
how-
good.
Yeah.
That's how.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. So I'm confused.
don't weird.
I
I said it was good.
I'm undecided. Yeah.
Okay, Brooke, what do you think of it?
It's good.
No,
Brandon, you think it's good?
Yeah, I think it's good.
And I think it's pretty good.
something wrong with all of y'all. Next,
That's hell.
powdery, nasty, chewy candy.
Yo.
Next, almond Caribbean cookies. Is that what they say? Almond.
Let me see. Let me see.
What you think?
Almond combineds. No. Almond carbohydrates cookies. That's what I said.
Yeah, that's what I said too.
Wrong. Wrong.
Oh no, another powdery yuckiness. Let's hold on, bro. Oh god. Come on, please.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Let's split them. Me and Kaylin gonna split one and you and Braylon split.
No, I'm going to get that nose.
You
You got it right. I'm going to get it.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm good.
You want a whole one?
Yeah.
I don't want a whole one.
No, I want me and Brooke to go.
Oh.
You gotta try it. You
No.
got- okay, we ain't gonna force you.
What?
Yeah.
If I have to try it, he got to try it. That's kelp.
It's spilling.
Ooh.
But you gonna try it.
That's why I don't. Here, there we go.
Oh my
There.
god. Go, Braylon. No, I'm good.
Take it.
No, take it.
Take it.
You gotta eat that.
No.
Okay, me and Kaylin, ready?
But you,
I tell you.
Oh, now you wanna try it?
Not good.
All right, ready? Let's go, y'all.
Oh, bro, what is
Got something wrong with you.
That's not.
Oh,
It tastes like.
Almond.
No, it tastes like. I don't know. It's another thing I can't explain.
It tastes like almond.
Why are you still holding it?
why are you smacking your lips?
Oh my god.
There you go.
All right, we're confused about that one. So, on to the next one.
So everyone's confused except. So what now? So what do you think is good?
I didn't like it.
Okay, Brooke.
We got stuff everywhere,
No.
y'all. It's like a little powdery stuff.
Braylon.
Yeah.
Okay,
did you try
well-
it?
Nah, I'm not gonna try that.
All right, this one, last but not least, where was this one? What is that called, Brooke? Oh, that was the first thing. It said start here.
Huh?
Almond
I stay away from almonds.
balakava.
Y'all can try this one too. I stay away from almonds.
I'm begging out of
I
all
like
of them.
almond.
Yeah, that's not fair. Yeah, it is.
You gotta, you only live once.
Ah, it's all greasy and icky.
It's greasy.
All right, that's what it's like a, you know what, like it reminds
like an
me
apple pie.
of, yep, that, and yep, apple pie. Let's do that one.
Let's just call it
it's
a
all
greasy apple pie.
I don't know how we're gonna.
A grape pie.
Uh,
A greasy pie.
let's see. So, all right, last but not least, the almond balakava.
Well, I put it.
We're gonna get Braylon.
It's my apple
Greasy.
pie.
Come on, bro.
Greasy.
You never know. You only live once. Okay, I think that it. This is a big mess here.
I really.
It smell like. It smell like I can't cut it up.
That's a strange smell. I'm gonna get this up.
What? This is what?
That smells always sweet.
Okay, let's see here. Ew.
You ate it right away. Take that.
It's hard.
And I'm going to.
Ugh. Greasy.
Ew, what kind of? It's hard.
That tastes like.
Yo.
They have a not a pecan pie, but
Pretty good.
a pizza cobbler like Aldi with nuts.
It's like bread.
Maybe yeah.
Like bread. It's like sweet bread.
Something. You like it?
Not really.
But it's okay.
All right, guys. Well, that's it from Greece. Some good, some bad.
That's good.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.